Hello, I'm Tom Tattle, and I help beginners build their very own professional e-commerce website for the simple cost of hosting. And I'll show you where you can get that for under $5 a month. In a matter of a few hours invested of your time, you will have your very own online store. This tutorial is aimed at beginners, so no previous coding knowledge or experience is required. Let's have a look at what your finished WordPress e-commerce website will look like. I have created a fake specialty soap shop online store here. So anyways, at the top, you will have your large featured image of representing your business or your products, followed by a shop section where you can include as many or as little items that you want on the featured items section of your home page. Next, we have a customer review section. We all know how important customer reviews are for helping people make purchase decisions, followed by this small section here where you can put in a image in the background of your own, and it will simply jump to your about page section. And then a couple options for contact here. You can remove those if you like. Any of these sections you can leave out or remove if you don't want them. We'll simply click on the Discover Our Story button. That will carry us over to the About page, where you can feature a few more keywords and information about you and your business, and add as many images as you like there. We also have a contact page where your customers are very important when they want to get a hold of you. And then most importantly, our shop page. If we go to that, you can again feature as many items as you want here. Simply your customer will add items to their cart and then click on view their cart, and then they will, once they proceed to checkout, they will be asked to fill in their personal information for shipping, and then a payment processor. They can pay with either their credit card. So we also know that it's very important that your website looks great on mobile, as more than 50% of people now are on mobile. On mobile, you have the mobile drop-down menu. If we want to go to the shop page, and you can see all your items here, and once again, the customer can shop right from their mobile phone at your online store. So for those of you that are interested in doing the tutorial, it's a free tutorial. You would simply go to tomtattle.com/ecom, or simply click on the link above. So that's tomtattle.com/ecom to get started. And here you will go through step one if you do not already have a domain and hosting. And if you already do have a domain and wish to change your hosting, this gray section here is for you. And then in step two is the 2-hour tutorial video where no steps are left out, which will lead you by the hand, and you can follow click by click and build your own online store e-commerce website and substitute your own product images. So I'm ready. If you're ready, I'll see you in the next video.